Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to focus on how to unfreeze all the frozen columns that we have. So imagine here you have all these columns are frozen, but you want to now remove this freezing effect. How do you do that? Well, very simple. It is really simple. First of all, what you do is here you go to View, then you can select here and you can say here no columns at all. There you are. So once you delete that, then it is done. And of course, maybe you want it even faster way. You can see here Google have this nice line here you can freeze. This basically means it is frozen. As you can see, you can move this really fast. So you say I want to freeze everything here beautifully, or maybe you say, oh, I don't need this anymore. Yes, there you are. You can see here, and this is really nice. And this also goes for the rows. You can see here we can freeze the row, or you want to freeze the row and freeze the column all together, and there we are. You can just play around with that. Very easy and useful. So same here. If you want that, and if you want to reset it all, you can just do it like that. So you can just drag this down here. That's it. Dragging to freeze, unfreeze columns very fast. And that is Google Sheets. Wonderful, very user friendly.